Today, I teach you all about a much beloved word in Afrikaans, and that is the word donder. Donder, first and foremost and politely, means thunder. Now, what is very important for you to understand is that we mostly pronounce donder as donder. So when you hear the word donder, that is the word donder, pronounced as we mostly do. Donder en blitz means thunder and lightning. Jou donder, always pronounced as jou donder. Mostly used when you are very angry at someone, and the translation is you, and then you can fill in the blanks. Wat de donder doen jy? Which means, what the are you doing? Ek gaan jou donder, which means I'm going to beat you up. Donderbui, thunder shower, donderstorm, thunderstorm, donderweer, thundery weather, donderwolk, thundercloud, donderend, thunderous, donderdag, Thursday.